In the far north of England, near the Scottish border, there is a wide stretch of water surrounded by forest. This is Kielder Reservoir, the largest man-made lake in the United Kingdom. A place shaped by human ambition, reclaimed over time by nature. Engineers built Kielder Reservoir in the 1970s. They aimed to provide more water for industry in northeast England. The reservoir, constructed by damming the North Tyne Valley, opened in 1982. At its center is the Kielder Dam, a huge mix of concrete and clay. It holds back billions of liters of water. Entire farmsteads disappeared beneath the rising waters, roads were rerouted, and a valley was transformed. It was one of Britain's boldest civil engineering projects, showcasing modern infrastructure against an ancient landscape. Surrounding the reservoir is Kielder Forest, the largest man-made woodland in England. What began as commercial forestry has evolved into a haven for wildlife. Red squirrels thrive here, protected from invasive rivals. Ospreys, once driven from Britain, now nest and fish in these waters. Roe deer glide through the trees without making a sound. At night, the forest stirs under one of Europe's darkest skies. Over time, utility was transformed into sanctuary. Today, Kielder is more than a reservoir. It is a playground for explorers.
The Lakeside Way follows its shoreline, offering a 42-kilometer route for cyclists and walkers.
Sailboats catch the wind, kayaks skim the surface. Families gather on the beaches, while deeper in the forest, trails lead to quiet clearings and striking landmarks. As darkness falls, the skies come alive. At Kielder Observatory, visitors explore the universe. Here, even the night adds to the experience. Kielder Reservoir began as an answer to a practical need, but over decades it has become something more. A meeting point of water, woodland and sky. A reminder that we can reshape a landscape yet can still remain wild. In Northumberland's quiet heart, Kielder waits, vast, reflective, alive.
Watch more from Radio Jonaphone. Subscribe to the channel. Enjoy.